Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to remove all spaces between words using Notepad++. It is very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. Here is my Notepad++. I copy some text from our Google Chrome or from the Wikipedia. I go to the Google Chrome and type winter. You can type anything and I go to the Wikipedia. I open the Wikipedia. In Wikipedia, I copy some text. I copy this paragraph, Ctrl C and paste it at here. And I want to remove these blank spaces. I want to remove these all blank spaces. That is very easy. Select the upward text area or the paragraph. Go to the search. Here we find replace. Click on this replace button or Ctrl H on our keyboard. Click on replace. In replace, go with the blank space. Delete this. Go with the blank space. I want to remove blank space and click or type plus button, and in replace with, if you have any space or anything, then delete it. Make sure replace with is empty. Do not enter anything at the replace with in this text area. Now go to the search mode. In search mode, select regular expression. Now I click on the find next. Now it is finding the blank space on our text or the paragraph. In our paragraph, it is finding a blank space. Now I want to replace this with the blank or the remove these spaces. Click on the replace all and our all blank spaces are removed from our words in Notepad++. So guys, this is the simplest way to remove all spaces between words using Notepad++. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.